Hey everybody, I'm back at the market again. Still setting up. I just wanted to show you the progress. I got some new stuff as well. I hope you enjoy this video. Sorry about the noise. Like I said, I'm not done setting up this one. I just got done building it. Everything's available for purchase as well. Sorry about the noise. People were just coming in to set up their stuff as well. So here's the tumblers that I just added as well. I did make the ones in print. I got coffee mugs as well. Some nail polish, eyelashes, nails. Here's some of them. Different types of makeup, mirrors, sunglasses, all sorts of stuff that I just added to the collection. And I will be making bags, makeup bags, all different stuff. Stay tuned.